Hey traders! Today we're reviewing the absorption strategy for NinjaTrader 8. This automated strategy detects hidden buying or selling pressure by analyzing volume imbalances during limited price movement. It identifies areas where aggressive orders are absorbed without significant price shifts, signaling potential reversals or continuations. What is absorption strategy? The strategy uses the absorption indicator to spot accumulation or distribution. When price moves little but volume shows a strong imbalance, it suggests smart money is absorbing pressure, which can lead to reversals or continuations. General parameters. First, trend approach. Choose only long, only short, or both. This controls which signals the strategy trades. Next, max quantity per trade. This caps the number of contracts per trade, helping control position size. Risk per trade sets your dollar risk per trade. The strategy calculates position size based on this and the stop-loss distance. Profit target ratio is a multiplier applied to the absorption range to set the profit target. Higher values mean larger targets. Stop-loss ratio is a multiplier applied to the absorption range to set the stop-loss. This determines your risk per trade. Use trail stop enables or disables trailing stop functionality. If trail stop is enabled, trail period sets how many bars are used to calculate the trailing stop level. Trail offset sets an offset and ticks from the calculated trailing stop level, giving you control over how tight or loose the trail is. Absorption parameters. These control how the indicator detects absorption patterns. Look-back period sets how many bars the indicator analyzes to detect absorption. This affects sensitivity. Price threshold is the maximum price movement percentage allowed for an absorption pattern. Lower values mean tighter ranges. Volume ratio is the minimum ratio between buy and sell volume required to qualify as absorption. Higher values mean stronger imbalances. Buy-side color sets the color for buy-side absorption rectangles. Sell-side color sets the color for sell-side absorption rectangles. Absorption opacity controls the transparency of the rectangles, from 0 to 100. Money management. Enable daily profit lets you set a daily profit target. When enabled, trading stops once the target is reached. Enable daily loss lets you set a daily loss limit. When enabled, trading stops once the limit is hit. Daily loss limit sets your maximum daily loss in dollars. Daily profit target sets your daily profit target in dollars. Trading time settings. You can configure up to 4 trading sessions with start and end times. Each session can be enabled or disabled independently. This helps you trade only during preferred hours. Session close settings let you automatically exit positions before the session ends. Enable session close activates this. Session time close sets the exit time, and exit on session close minutes sets how many minutes before the close to exit. Day of week settings. You can enable or disable trading for each day of the week, Sunday through Saturday. This lets you avoid trading on specific days. How the strategy works. The indicator draws colored rectangles on the chart. Green shows buy-side absorption, red shows sell-side. The size of each color reflects the volume imbalance. You'll also see green and red lines marking the highest and lowest levels of the absorption range, plus text showing buy volume, sell volume, ratio, and range percent metrics. Entry signals. The strategy enters long when it detects buy-side absorption, green rectangles, and enters short when it detects sell-side absorption, red rectangles. Entries occur only during allowed trading times and days, and only if daily profit and loss limits haven't been reached. Position management. Once in a position, the strategy calculates stop loss and profit target based on the absorption range and your ratios. If trail stop is enabled, it adjusts the stop as price moves in your favor. The strategy draws lines on the chart showing your stop loss and profit target levels. Exit conditions. The strategy exits when price hits the profit target. Price hits the stop loss. The trailing stop is triggered, if enabled. Session close exit is triggered, if enabled. Important notes. For backtesting, you should enable tick replay in the chart settings, as we are using our market data tick data methods. The absorption strategy is available in the Essential, Professional, and Elite packages with a 7-day free trial. Check the description for links and more details. The absorption strategy automates trading based on volume absorption patterns. With configurable risk management, trading times, and visual feedback, it helps you trade these setups systematically. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more NinjaTrader content. Questions? Leave them in the comments. Happy trading!